In today's video, I'll visit Mindanao's famous artist, Kublai Millan, at his home studio. I'll visit People's Park in Davao City, and visit the Ponce Suites Art Hotel, where we'll go on a neighborhood tour. Kublai Millan started his career filling both the inside and outside of his family's hotel with artwork. Many people consider him to be the most famous artist in Mindanao. He is responsible for many public sculptures, like the giant durian monument at Davao International Airport, as well as some of the artwork within the airport. He also created the giant eagle and sculptures of children in People's Park in Davao City. I joined Kublai for coffee at his house, where he has his art studio and even a gallery where he stores some of his work.
Look back.
Amazing.
I call this Dagkong Salamat. In English, that's a huge Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
So here, the title here is Kailaluman, which is depths of the sea. So for water. This one is Kalayo for fire, and then earth, Kalibutan, and then that one is Kalangitan for sky. So this is a tribute for all the elements in the world.
Right.
This is a recent work. These are my photographs from way back, like 15 to 20 years ago. And then I printed them, and then I painted the backgrounds as a way to express my journey in my art.
Right. Wow. Wrapped up for protection.
When I do my research, I have to immerse. So that's why I get a lot of stories. I get to see a lot of dances. I get to see a lot of rituals and musical instruments like this one. You don't get to see this every day. This is a one-stringed violin.
Oh, yeah. So before you do a sculpture, you visit the community.
Yeah.
You watch the dances, you hear the stories.
And then from there, I try to capture the soul of the place.
The colors.
Yeah, all of that.
The movement.
Yeah.
And then do you come and do like a work like this before you do the sculpture?
No,
okay.
But this is after.
Yeah, after.
Yeah, because I cannot express everything in the monument. I have the need to paint that, so I could also share those that I cannot tell in my monument.
So many styles.
There's so much work happening.
How many hours do you work a day?
Every day, I don't know. From when I wake up until
Till you go to bed.
Yeah.
Pretty much. I see the coloring books here. Can you tell me about the coloring book?
Yeah, I give this out in communities. Tomorrow I'll be giving thousands of this.
Thousands. Wow. So why the coloring books? Was that?
That's my first love. I love coloring books for children.
For children.
Yeah.
So the main reason you did this was so that you could interact with the community and bring art to the community.
And then every year, it's my discipline to produce one set of coloring books for children. Of course, the stories are different. For this one, you would see Ikaw. Ikaw is you. And then Tayo is we, together.
Oh.
Yeah, so if you look at the content, there. Then there's poetry. So here I always present the Muslims, the indigenous peoples, and the Christian settlers. So even with children, when they color, they would start to appreciate their neighbor, the other tribe and the other religion. So you can never go wrong by injecting peace in a very young age among children. So you see, it's just fun images, but you always see images of the tribes, the Muslims there, Christian settlers. It's fun.
Yeah. People's Park has over 1,000 species of plants and trees, and features sculptures created by Kublai. The park covers an area of 4 hectares. That's about 10 acres. It's a popular place where families go to enjoy a picnic. There are also benches where you can sit and relax. Inside the park, you can also visit the children's library. There's also a dancing fountain. And People's Park is a great place where joggers can get a good run in on the rainbow-colored track. CCTV cameras are installed around the park to ensure safety of the park goers. The park is known for being safe, clean, and green. Here's the neighborhood I'm staying in right now. And the art at this place is just unbelievable. And just a 5-minute walk down this road is a nice little mall and a place where you can catch jeepneys or taxis. Actually, a lot of taxis come down this road, and there's restaurants right around the corner. Fairly easy to catch a taxi right from there. And here's the building I'm staying in. The outdoor cafe. I had breakfast here today, and breakfast was 100 pesos, so that was $2 breakfast for what I spent. Here's some of the artwork in front of the hotel. Amazing sculptures all the way across the building, and the whole building is filled with artwork. Take a short walk down my neighborhood at the moment. Get some durian ice cream and mangosteen ice cream here. Is this your place?
My friend's place.
Your friend's place?
Yes.
I like all these plants. Very nice.
We also have grapes here.
Grapes. Ah, look at that. Grapes. Very nice. There's a lot of nice vegetation here. I like this neighborhood. It's in the city, but it's fairly quiet and very convenient. It's about a 10-minute, probably less than 10-minute, about a 5-minute walk up to where you can catch the jeepneys. And there's a lot of restaurants in this neighborhood also. A lot of places that are well kept. And here's more sculpture. Across the street, there is a tennis club. They have outdoor and indoor tennis courts, tennis lessons, tennis leagues, and last night they even had a volleyball league playing. In the evening, after things cool off, it's a nice place to hang out. Last night they had barbecue on the grill and food and drinks available. The cost of the tennis club is a one-time fee of 2,500 pesos, and then 600 pesos per year after that. I've been going to a gym that's a 10-minute walk from here. It has a good free weight area along with older weight machines. The drop-in charge is 40 pesos or 500 pesos per month. Across the street from my hotel, there are a few places with monthly rentals. This one advertises a 24-hour security guard, cable TV, Wi-Fi, and utilities are included. And they also include free laundry and house cleaning. Key card lock. Double bed. Got a little table. And it has Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi.
Free Wi-Fi, a cable TV. The cable TV. Nice storage. And this one's 21 a month, right? Hot water? Hot water. Okay, got a nice Western toilet. There's other places available here too that look nice. This building looks pretty nice and has rooms for rent, fully furnished, free Wi-Fi. And here's where I'm staying right now, and it's amazing. The art in here is just incredible. Filled with paintings and sculptures by Kublai Milan, Ponce Suites Art Hotel is a family-owned 4-story hotel and art gallery featuring the artistic journey of Kublai. Throughout the hotel, you'll find many of Kublai's paintings, photography, illustrations, poetry, and sculpture installations. The hotel is now widely known in the international backpacker circuit as the only gallery you can sleep in. The hotel is a 5-minute walk from Victoria Plaza Shopping Mall and a 20-minute drive from the airport if the traffic is light. It's about a 15-minute walk from the Breeza Mall. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next video is up. Please give us a like and leave a comment. It helps support our channel so we can keep bringing you videos like this. For more information about living abroad, international living, and retiring overseas, please visit our website at www.livingoverseas.tv.